Barcelona, the capital of Catalonia, is a vibrant and diverse city that captivates visitors with its rich history, stunning architecture, and lively culture. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, an art lover, or simply seeking a relaxing beach getaway, Barcelona has something for everyone. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 things to do in Barcelona, helping you make the most of your visit to this enchanting Mediterranean metropolis. No visit to Barcelona is complete without exploring Antoni Gaudi's masterpiece, La Sagrada Familia. This awe-inspiring basilica has been under construction for over a century and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Marvel at its unique architecture, intricate facades, and breathtaking interior. Don't forget to book your tickets in advance to avoid long lines. Las Ramblas is Barcelona's most famous promenade, bustling with activity day and night. As you walk along this tree-lined street, you'll encounter street performers, flower stands, and numerous cafes. Be sure to explore the nearby Mercat de Sant Josep de la Boqueria, a bustling food market offering an array of local delicacies. Another Gaudi gem, Park Güell, is a whimsical public park with colorful mosaics, imaginative architecture, and panoramic views of the city. This park offers a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of Barcelona and is a great place for a leisurely stroll. The Barri Gothic, or Gothic Quarter, is a labyrinth of narrow medieval streets and historic buildings. Explore its hidden plazas, visit the Barcelona Cathedral, and admire the Roman walls that once surrounded the city. This area is perfect for discovering the city's rich history and charm. Barcelona is a food lover's paradise. Sample traditional Catalan dishes like paella, tapas, and crema catalana. Don't forget to savor fresh seafood at Barceloneta Beach or explore the local food markets for an authentic culinary experience. Art enthusiasts will appreciate the Museu Picasso, which houses one of the most extensive collections of artworks by the 20th century Spanish artist Pablo Picasso. Explore his early works and witness the evolution of his genius. 1. Relax on the beach. Barcelona boasts several beautiful beaches along its coastline. Whether you prefer the bustling Barceloneta beach or the quieter Bogatel beach, you can soak up the Mediterranean sun, swim in the clear waters, and enjoy beachside restaurants and bars. Escape the city for a day and head to Montserrat, a stunning mountain range located just outside Barcelona. Explore the Montserrat monastery, hike the trails, and enjoy breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside. Barcelona is a city that seamlessly blends its rich history with a modern, cosmopolitan vibe. From its iconic architecture to its delicious cuisine and lively culture, there's something for every traveler to enjoy. These top 10 things to do in Barcelona are just a glimpse of what this vibrant city has to offer, so be sure to explore further and make the most of your visit to this enchanting Catalan capital.